Viewers, once again, this is Power Africa Solar, and today we want to introduce to you our brand new solar panel. We have panels ranging from 305 to 665. Currently, our brand new size is the 665, which is right here behind me. We want to clarify that Power Africa Solar only stocks monocrystalline solar panels. So people may ask, what is monocrystalline solar panels? Monocrystalline solar panels are panels that are made up of one single component, meaning it doesn't have impurities. And that will take me to explaining to you the importance of going with a monocrystalline solar panel, especially the 665 one. So as you can see, the aesthetics of this solar panel is very uniform. The blackness on the surface of this solar panel is uniform, and this enables this panel to have maximum sun to be trapped on it. We all know that black surfaces trap a lot of sun and hence sunlight too. So the sleekness of it, the uniformity in color also enables it to perform at a very high efficiency. Another thing that I would like to say about the solar panel is that it works or performs well in low temperatures and also high temperatures. So if you are in areas where you think the sun is not quite okay, you can consider going with this monocrystalline solar panel, especially the 665, because you won't need much. Because if one single panel gives you 665, and a normal house will need maybe 2.7 kilowatts, we are talking of maybe having 3 of these or 4. So you won't need much. Another thing is that these panels are environmental friendly. We are in an era where we are trying to reduce carbon rates. So with this, it works with that notion that we are trying to reduce the carbon effect in the environment. This solar panel is safe for us, and it's safe for everyone who is using it. And through that, we'd want to advise you that if in case you want to purchase one for yourself, you can visit our offices in Nairobi. We have one in industrial area, Hola Road, and another one in Kisumu, that is a new terminus. We are looking forward to get your orders. Thank you.